Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Tifia. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Tifia Markets Limited is licensed as a dealer in securities and is regulated in accordance with the Dealer in Securities Licensing Act of the Republic of Vanuatu. They offer 3 flexible ECN and STP account types and more than 120 tradable instruments. Tifia is an excellent option for social traders who would like to make use of a copy trading system, and there are 4 methods of copy trading that you can use as a Tifia client. Despite the lack of educational material, Tifia requires a low minimum deposit of only $10, and MetaTrader-4 and 5 are beginner-friendly trading platforms that can be downloaded for free, so you can either practice on a demo account and use tutorials from other sources, or open a low-risk live account if you already have some trading experience. Tifia allows scalping and hedging, and you can also use expert advisors as well as automated trading strategies. As a Tifia client, Tier 1 bank liquidity is guaranteed, and you can enjoy low margin requirements and ultra-tight spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. The Tifia website is user-friendly and simplistic. You can find all the information about accounts, platforms, and instruments under the For Traders section. And if you would like to learn more about copy trading, simply click on the Social Trading tab. As you scroll down the homepage, you will see information about the trading conditions, exclusive tools, features, and the account types they offer. At the very bottom of the homepage, you can view all supported payment methods and important disclaimers. And there are also lists of options you can choose from if you would like to learn more about the company, their promotions, and any other relevant information. If you would like to see what instruments you can trade with Tifia, simply click on the For Traders tab and select the Trading Instruments option from the drop-down list. You can also scroll down to the account types to see exactly what instruments can be traded on the different accounts. If you're the type of trader who wants a broker that gives back to its clients, Tifia offers several promotions and cashback rewards, and they have already hosted a couple of successful charity programs, raffles, contests, and giveaways. They also offer a 30% tradable bonus, and you can get a 100% bonus with their loyalty program. Tifia is a MetaTrader-friendly broker, and you can use both the MetaTrader-4 and MetaTrader-5 platforms as a Tifia client. If you are interested in using both platforms, we recommend opening an ECN Classic account. But if you are comfortable using MetaTrader-4 only, then you can open any of the 3 account types. MetaTrader-4 and MetaTrader-5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader-4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader-5 was released 5 years later. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. These platforms come with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are several different timeframes to choose from. These platforms are suitable for beginners, and there are plenty of resources available online that will teach you how to use them. Tifia offers 3 types of live trading accounts, and you have the option of using a risk-free demo account if you would like to test new strategies or if you have never traded before. All accounts use a market execution model and can be used as demo accounts. Some other features that all 3 accounts have in common are that there are no requotes and scalping. Hedging and expert advisors are allowed on all accounts. The Start Micro and ECN Classic accounts allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000, and can be converted to swap-free accounts. They are commission-free accounts that are eligible for trading bonuses, and we recommend these accounts for beginners and intermediate traders. The Start Micro account requires the lowest minimum deposit of $10 with spreads starting at 2.2 pips. This account can be used on the MetaTrader-4 platform and can be funded using US dollars, euros, or the Nigerian naira. The Start Micro account can be used to trade 28 forex pairs and 2 metals. We recommend this account if you are new to trading and if you are looking for a beginner-friendly swap-free account. The ECN Classic account requires a higher minimum deposit of $100, and it can be used on the MetaTrader-4 and MetaTrader-5 platforms. The spreads on the ECN Classic account start at 1.1 pips, and you can trade 37 forex pairs, 4 metals, and 2 commodities on this account. We recommend using this account if you are a more experienced trader who wants to trade with no commission fees, and if you are looking for a flexible swap-free account. Finally, the ECN Pro account requires a minimum deposit of $500, but it offers incredibly tight spreads, starting at 0 pips. This account charges low commission fees, but you have access to 50 forex pairs, 6 metals, 2 commodities, 10 indices, and 53 stocks. The maximum leverage on the ECN Pro account is 1 to 500, and it cannot be used as a swap-free account. Creating an account with Tifia is simple and easy, and there are only a few simple steps that you need to follow. Firstly, launch the Tifia homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Fill in your personal details and choose a strong password for your account. Then complete the online application. You will then want to verify your account and email address, and once your account is approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. Once your account has been set up and approved, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to use MetaTrader-4. Download and install either MetaTrader-4 or MetaTrader-5, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader-4 platform with Tifia. In the center you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to the MetaTrader-4 trading platform, we would recommend using some online resources to help show you how to get started. The MetaTrader platforms provide a variety of educational resources that you can browse through at any time. Despite the lack of educational resources provided on the website, we would not discourage beginners from opening an account with Tifia because they offer an exceptional copy trading program, and copy trading is a safe, low-risk way to learn and trade at the same time. You can also open a demo account if you are not ready to deposit any real money. They do, however, provide forex forecasts and market outlooks, a forex calculator, and an economic calendar. What we like most about Tifia is that they offer flexible account types and allow copy trading. You can start trading forex for as little as $10, and professional traders have access to incredibly tight spreads. It is unclear whether Tifia is formally regulated by any Tier 1 or 2 agencies, but all their legal documentation is available to the public, which adds some credibility to their reputation. Be sure to open an account with Tifia today if you are interested in claiming your welcome bonus. And that is our overview of Tifia. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.